What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be doing the engine air filter replacement in the 2013 Jeep Wrangler. Follow me to the end to figure out how to do it. Alright guys, so for this one you're going to need a 10mm socket and or drill. You got two 10mm up the front. Now, Jeeps are the only ones that are like this. I don't know why they have these two 10mm here to hold the intake, but they do. Right, just make sure those are nice and loose. You can just take them out. Make sure you don't lose them. Stick them somewhere safe. And then you got 4 clips. You got one clip here, one clip there, one on this corner down here, and one on the back side of this corner here. That's all you have to do. 4 clips on the box, 2 10mm bolts. And then you just lift this up. And pull your air filter out.
Cool.
This one don't look too bad. It's a little dirty, but I'm not going to change it out today. But I did want to check on it for sure. Maintenance is key. Keeping your vehicle maintained will help it last forever. And then to put it back in, you just do the same thing that you did to get it out. Now when you're putting it back in, you gotta notice the shape here. It does have a corner bit here that tries to match on the corner inside of the box down here. And it's gonna be this corner here. Just make sure you flip it around the right way. And get it back in there. Might take some maneuvering, especially if it's never, if you haven't checked it in a long time, this box can get stuck together.
Oh no!
And then you gotta put your clips on. You got one clip here. Got another clip on. That side there, you got one back here. Right under there, if you can see my finger down there, that clips on. And then you've got another one that is down in here. It's very hard to see because it's really close to the radiator. This one's the worst one out of all of them. 9 out of 10 Jeeps that come in the shop already have this one loose because they didn't feel like taking the time to make sure that it's snug the last time that they checked it or replaced it.
Why?
But if you just wiggle it around a little bit, you can get it done. And then the last thing you're going to do is line up your bolts. Might take some finagling to get it lined back up.
What?
But once you get it, you're pretty much in. Stick the other one in. I always hand thread bolts first to make sure I don't strip them out before I start tightening down.
Duh.
That's a good little lesson there. And that was it. That's how you change your engine air filter in a 2013 Jeep Wrangler.
Credits, go!
Thank y'all so much for watching. If you'd like, hit that like for me. Subscribe for more. More maintenance videos. The next one should be an oil change because I'm due for an oil change.
Oh, surprise, surprise.
But I hope to see you there.